4, Unit 10, subtracting 0 to 9 randomly. Unit 10.1, we're going to subtract using numbers up to 15. Example A, 10 minus 1. If you take 1 away from 10, you are left with 9. Example B, 13 minus what number equals 10? Well, here the ones have stayed the same, so we're basically looking at the 3 and the 0. What would I have to take away from 3 to equal 0? You would have to subtract 3. Unit 10.2, subtract using numbers up to 17. Example A, 14 minus 3. We're going to first subtract the two numbers in the ones position. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then if we look at the tens column, we only have the one number, so it carries over for an answer of 11. Example B, 17 minus what number equals 13? Again, if we look at the tens column, the ones are the same. So we're basically asking ourselves, what did we have to take away from 7 to get to 3? Or 3 plus what number equals 7? Either way, we know that is 4. 10.3, subtract using numbers up to 18. Example A, 16 minus 0. If we don't take anything away from 16, we're still going to have 16. Example B, 16 minus what number equals 12? Again, if we look at the tens column, the ones are staying the same, so we're not going to mess with those. If we look at the ones column, we go from 6 to 2. What would we have to take away from 6 to equal 2? Well, you can count backwards if you'd like. 15, 14, 13, 11, 12 means that we are taking 4 away. Unit 10.4, subtract using numbers up to 19. Example A, 19 minus 6. Let's start off looking at the ones column. 9 minus 6 means that you'll have 3 left over. Then we look at the tens column. There's only one number there, so it carries over into our answer for an answer of 13. Example B, 18 minus what number equals 11? We can also ask ourselves, 11 plus what number would equal 18, if that's a little bit easier. Let's try that. Let's count from 11 to 18, or 1 from 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means that we are subtracting 7 from 18 to equal 11. Unit 10.5, subtract using numbers up to 20. Example A, 18 minus 2. We're going to subtract the ones numbers here. 8 minus 2, if we take 2 away from 8, we end up with 6. Then we look at the tens column. There's only the one number, so it carries over for an answer of 16. Example B, 18 minus what number equals 11? We've seen this problem before, but let's try a different technique here. We can always just take and we can work backwards from 8 to 1. So we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many numbers did we move back? 7 numbers. So we subtracted 7.